Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the part 15 of learning Microsoft Excel from basic to advanced level. In this video, we will be discussing in detail about the different tools and their functions that are available in the data tab in the main menu bars. So this is the main menu bar, and in the previous video we have discussed in detail about the formula tab, means the different tools and their functions we have discussed in the previous video. And in this video we will be discussing about the different tools available in the data tab. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also, if you want to learn the different softwares related to civil and structural engineering, you can visit this channel. So let's start the tools available in the data tab. So the first one is the from access, means here you can, this is the data tab. So in this tab you will be specially working with the data. So the first one is the from access, means you can select the data to be uh, trans to be shifted to this Excel sheet. From the access means you can access your data from the your system, means the data is available in your system, means in your PC where you are working at any location. So when you click on this from access, so this window will open, and through this you can select the data which is available anywhere in your system, and then will click on the open. So that will be basically open in the Excel sheet here. And the next one is the from web, means through this you can take the data from the online, means from the Google or from the other source, online source. And the next one is the from text, means when you click on this, so this window will open and you can take the data in terms of text available in your system. The next one is the from other sources. So these are the other sources, which is the from where you can take the data. So you can take from SQL server, you can take the data from analysis services. You can also may take the data from XML data import, or you can also take the data from connection wizards, or either you can take the data from the Microsoft query. So these are the different other sources from where you can select, means to take means you can take the data. The next one is the existing connections. When you click on this, so these are the existing connections from where you can take the data. So these 5 tools are associated with the categorized in the tools category of the get external data. So through these tools you can take the external data, and that will be pasted here in this Excel sheet. The next category of the tool is the connections in the data tab, which consists of these tools. The first one is the refresh all, the next one is the connections, and the third one is the properties, and the fourth one is the edit links. So these are the different tools associated with the connections that are available in the data tab. So you can use any one as per your requirements. The next category of the tool is the sort and filter. So through this sort and filter, you can sort your data from A to Z or from Z to A, or you can sort in another format, and then you can filter your data, then you can clear, you can, when you select the data, So the filter is now you can filter your data and reapply the last one is the advanced. You click on this, you can use this table to sort your and filter your data as per your requirements. So the next category of the tool is the data tools, which consists of these tools you can use to play with the data tools. So the first one is the text to columns. From here you can convert your different rows to a single columns, means to different or many columns, and you can apply this to convert your text to columns. And the next one is the remove duplicates. You can use this tool to remove the duplicates. The next tool is the data validation. This plays a very important role while working on some data in order to validate them. So we will be discussing this in along a separate video with the help of examples. And the next one is the consolidate. For this you can consolidate your data. And the next category of the next tool is the what if analysis. So there are three scenarios. First is the scenario manager, goal seek, and the last one is the data table. So these three are categorized in the are sub tools in the what if analysis. So these are the tools associated with the data tools. So the next category of the tool is the outline. So in which the first one is the group, the next one is the ungroup, and this one is the subtotal. And also you can show the detail or you can hide the details, and when you click on this small button, so the next window will open the small window, and from here you can customize the setting or the category of the tools that are available in the outline category of tools. So till now we have discussed all these tools in the data tab. Now if you have any questions in these tools you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.